Hello guys! For how many years, ngayon na lang ulit nakabalik ng Mall of Asia, and today we decided to eat in IKEA Swedish Restaurant. And since it's my first time here, no more diet. This is carrot cake, and this is their latest almond cake. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang chocolate cake, my favorite! And of course, for appetizer, di mawawala ang salad. Dito ka excited sa meatballs. And of course, the salmon. Chicken. And excited akong tikman yung mushroom soup kasi favorite ko talaga ang mushroom soup, guys. More! And now heading to the cashier. I'm so excited to eat, guys. And now the moment of truth. Is it Yamshki approved? Yes na yes! Kaya punta na kayo sa IKEA Swedish Restaurant. Located at 4th level.